I'm changing the look of this beautiful vase to match with my decor. I'm painting it with white chalk paint. It did need quite a few coats to cover the design. Always leave to dry between each coat. I got some elastic bands to divide the area. I want to create a bit of a crackle effect, so I am applying the crackle medium on 2 parts of the area. I left the crackle medium to dry, and then I started applying the acrylic color that I wanted. You have to work quite fast, and the brush has to be loaded with a lot of paint for coverage, because the cracks start appearing immediately. Once it's fully dry, and obviously the longer it dries, the more the cracks appear, I started removing the elastic bands. For the area in between the color, I will be applying some napkin, using the napkin decoupage technique by removing the top ply, putting decoupage glue and sticking down the napkin. I always like to use a brush to put more decoupage glue, especially around the edges, to make sure it's stuck well. I continue working all around and even the top part. I'm loving the way it's already looking, since my decor is more farmhouse style, so I think this will fit much better in my decor. As protection, I am using clear wax. I use a clear wax first, and then I use a browning wax on top of the clear wax. I do this just in case I put too much dark wax. If I don't have the clear wax before, the dark wax will be very difficult to remove. In this way, I am creating protection and an antique effect at the same time. I have had this vase for quite some years, when I had a different decor in another house, and I love the style of this vase, but I couldn't use it in my decor. So that's why I am changing the look. As a final touch, I have this silver adhesive lace border, which I will be sticking down on each layer. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you would have left it as it is, or changed it to match your decor. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye bye.